What's up everyone, JM here, and we are back with another video. In this one, we'll do an unboxing and review of the Fear of God and Converse collaboration on the Chuck 70. So I hope you stick around. Jerry Lorenzo's Fear of God Essentials returns in a more refined collaboration with Converse. With a well-thought-of color combination and materials used, this Chuck 70 proves to be a really essential part of one's sneaker rotation. So let's go straight to the unboxing. It comes in an off-white natural colored box that says Essentials at the top and back portions, and Converse at the front. I purchased this pair in Collect, which is one of the online reselling apps that you can use. So this comes with a free crepe wipes in a plastic envelope and this sort of collectible card. It would be nice if what they included is the card for the shoe that you got. It also has the collect tags, which proves that the pair you got is verified authentic. Now, let's take a closer look at this shoe, which for me combines a classic look with a touch of high street fashion elegance. The lateral and medial panels of the shoe is made of black canvas, which is a bit thicker than the regular Chuck tailors. Take note that this is a Chuck 70, so it offers more premium materials and build than the regular Chuck tailors. The distinct part of this collab is the leather tongue in off-white or what they call as egret color, partnered with the same color for the extra long laces, which is meant to be wrapped around the collar of the shoe, where you can find a full tab which also secures the laces in place. I find this combination better than the previous release in 2018, where it had white laces. The toe cap is made of glossy egret rubber, which is the same material, color, and glossy finish with the midsole. This completes the clean and classic look that we are used to with the Chucks. Of course, the classic Converse star logo on the medial side will not be missed. There's also the branding on the heel part of the shoe, Fear of God Essentials on the left, and the usual Converse stamp on the right. Another notable thing about this pair are the insoles. It is thick and gives a good cushion. On feet, Converse tends to usually run half size bigger, but for the case of the Chuck 70, it is even bigger in my opinion. So I went a full size down for this, and I got a good fit. In terms of comfort, these are more comfortable than the regular Chuck tailors, and more breathable I think, because of the materials used. Overall, this collaboration between Fear of God and Converse is spot on, with a classic look and some refreshing touches. If you failed to get this during the launch last March, it is pretty much attainable, since its resale value is not that high. What do you think about this shoe, guys? Is it a cop or a drop? Let me know in the comment section. May I also ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.